Hello everyone, we're going to discuss here different type of SQL constraints. SQL constraints are nothing but the rules that are applied to your table column. And the use of SQL constraints ensure that your data remains correct and the same everywhere in order to avoid the errors. This is your syntax for creating a table. Once you mention your column name along with its data type, you try to define your constraint type. Let's discuss what are the different kinds of constraints. Very first one is not null, unique, default, check, primary key, foreign key. These constraints we are going to discuss in detail in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.